How to recall mail in Outlook mobile app. So for this, first and foremost, you have to go ahead and open your Outlook mobile application. You can get it from your Play Store or an App Store. So once you are logged in, make sure that you have a mail that you have sent it. If not, let me show you how. Tap on the new mail bubble. So right here at the top, go ahead and write the receiver email address and make sure that it is correct. Then in the subject, go ahead and write what is the mail about, and in the body, go ahead and add a description of the mail. Then at the bottom, you will see an arrow. Go ahead and tap on it. Now let's wait until it is sent. Once it is sent, now to find where it is, you can go ahead and tap on the profile icon, then tap on Send. Now just select the email that you want to unsend or recall. Simply tap on the three dot, then scroll down, then tap on Delete. Once it is deleted, it will notify that your message has been deleted. You can undo the process by simply tapping on the undo icon next to message delete notification. And that's it. You have made it to the end of this video as well. We hope you found this video helpful. So go ahead and give this a try. And thank you so much for watching.